Hey guys, welcome back to Temple University's YouTube channel. I'm Lauren Morris and I am a freshman here at Temple University studying broadcast journalism, and today our video is talking about self-care. I'm just going to give you a couple tips that help me during the school year and hopefully will help you too. The 4 different forms of self-care that I kind of like to categorize are practical, mental, social, and physical. Physical being like more of your face mat, your baths, your longer shower, and like fun workout classes that you can try. Your mental could be like your reading, your journaling, meditation. And social is kind of the fun one. It's like you can go and do picnics, movie nights, space times with like old friends, which I do all the time. Practical is like learning a new skill or hobby, cleaning up your room, organizing your closet, or like planning new outfits, which is one of my favorites. Once again, I just want to stress that self-care is different for me than it is for you. So these are just my tips and hopefully they help. And if not, then you have to kind of find your own way of self-care that you would like to see for yourself. With all of that being said, my first self-care tip is sleep. And I know that that sounds taxing. Like, I know that everybody's always like, oh, you have to get 8 hours of sleep. But for me, literally, I need sleep. It's so important, especially for all the activities and stuff that I do all of the time. Take midday naps. Anyone who knows me knows that I am an avid napper. I know sometimes people might say that like naps are not good for you. Personally, for me, if I need to like take a power nap in the middle of the day, I definitely will do it. Quick tip, on your iPhone, you can literally like put the hours of sleep that you want. There's like a sleep timer, which is super duper cool. Sleep timer on Apple is so helpful. Like, you can literally go in there and be like, oh, this is how many hours of sleep I want. Help me track it, help me find my downtime, and like it'll definitely help you. I think that's like one of the best tips that I learned about iPhones. Now, especially with sleep, being that we're college students or just students in general, most of the time we might have like an all-nighter that we have to pull. Personally, it's been midterm week for me at the filming of this video. I have been stressing out, so I've been doing a lot of all-nighters, so caffeine definitely is something that's been helping me. But sleep, important. I promise you, your health is more important. Second thing I want to talk about is eating habits. College students here at Temple have the option to have a meal plan, and there's several different packages. The most important thing, making sure that your eating habits are in check. At college, sometimes it can be difficult to maintain like a healthy eating lifestyle balance. You really should be having 3 meals a day. It might sound difficult, but even if that means like going up and right before you go to class, grab a yogurt, like grab a bagel or grab anything just so that you have something on your stomach, because being in class and being hungry is literally the worst. Most students are able to bring snacks into class, so that might be something that you can talk to your teacher about. There are grocery stores around Temple's campus. There is the Fresh Grocer, and it's really valuable to the students on campus. Third thing I want to talk about is planning. I am an avid planner. I use my Google Calendar like it is my life, like literally my savings grade. I have everything color coded and everything, so it really helps keep me organized, as like tabs of school, personal, friends, events, clubs. So it's really helpful for me. And honestly, if you're looking for a calendar that's going to keep all of your stuff together, Google Calendar is your girl. It's your girl, I promise. There's also a lot of different other apps that you can use, like Notion. I know a lot of people like Notion. Me personally, it's just a little overwhelming. Google Calendar and Notion are really good ones that I would say you can definitely use. Of course, there's a bunch others as well. Fourth thing I want to talk about is goal setting. Making goals for yourself and setting like time limits to those goals has been really helpful for me. With college in mind, there's a lot of things that I want to accomplish in certain time frames, so setting those goals and writing them down physically on paper really helps me to kind of keep track of what I'm doing. For some people that works, some people it doesn't. I didn't start working until I got to like my senior year of high school. And then it really kind of clicked, like, oh my gosh, me writing this down is actually helping me, so that's good. There's like tons of different goal setting, like organization tips that you can have. You can have like long-term goal setting, short-term goal setting, daily goal setting, thing that's going to help you achieve those goals. And you can put like tips and stuff. The goals can literally be as simple as you want them to. Like, you can literally be like, I need to get up and I need to go to class, and that can be the goal for the day. And if you accomplish it, then that's great. Like, you really got to give yourself credit. The last final tip is to use your resources wisely. Like, literally use your resources on campus, use your resources online, literally use all of them. Here at Temple, we have the Temple Wellness Resource Center, which actually held a self-care fair a couple weeks ago where they invited wellness dogs. Literally dogs. Like, it doesn't get much better than that. Like, They were so cute, they were so helpful, and sometimes all you need is an animal to take you out of a situation. Like, you just need a dog to sit with and like to cuddle with. It was literally so fun, and hopefully they'll have more events like that in the future. A bunch of other events like the self-care fair and stuff that are coming this year, and I'm really excited about it because it's just so important to talk about self-care and to talk about mental health and everything. Super good that we have that here. We also have the Peer and Student Counseling Center, which is also super helpful for people who, you know, like want to go into group therapy or want to go into like one-on-one therapy. So there's so many resources here on Temple, and if you don't go to Temple, there's so many other resources. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everybody is like a source of information and knowledge that we can like build off of, which is so awesome. That's one of the good things about social media, is that there's so many resources out there, and because social media is such a connective platform, we can all talk about them in a shared and open space, which I think is great. And my last tip, my final little tip, is just to be positive. Be healthy, have a healthy mindset about everything. You know, it's midterm season here at Temple now, and I know a lot of students were really stressed, including myself, just like going and studying and everything, but just kind of be in a positive mindset and remember to take it easy on yourself. It can be so hard as college students for us to get so worked up and so involved in our classes, but sometimes it's okay to take a break. Hopefully you found all of those tips helpful, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.